Hi everybody, so today we're going to take a look at Convertri and how to create background overlay over a photo. So we're going to go into a landing page that I've created here for my personal training business, and we'll use that as an example. So I first learned web development using Elementor and Elementor Pro, and when I started using Convertri for my landing pages, it was a little bit different process for adding background overlay, which, as you can see here, we have a photo, and then we have an additional overlay panel where it creates just kind of a darker black opaque view. So things like text can be easy to view. So let's create a new page, and we will go through how to create overlay. So we'll start off by creating a page from scratch. For background overlay, and I'll just import the same photo that we had in the other page, which I already have saved to my photos. So the first thing we're going to do here is going to bring an image in. Go to my folder, and we're going to open up that same photo, and we're going to select it so it is brought into our new page. All right, the first thing I'm going to do here is use the full width functionality to expand that photo to full width. And we're going to bring it a little bit bigger so you can see that full photo. And the way that we're going to create background overlay here in Convertri is to now add an additional panel. So once we add that additional panel, we're going to make it full width again. And we're going to completely cover that first image. Next step, we're going to come into Properties for that panel, and we're going to select the background group and then change the background fill color to transparent. You can either click on that if you have it as a default, or you could choose any color and bring the opacity down to 0 to see the full picture, or like we had in the original version, we had a black overlay at about 50%. So you could see there, we're now set to 50%. You could change that manually also. We're going to select that, and just so you can see the difference here, we're going to add some text. A little bit bigger and more visible. So let's make that white, and let's increase it to 50. So you can see this is pretty visible from here. And then let's just take a look at the difference. So if we switch that background and remove that background overlay, it's a lot harder to now read that text. So let's move that back to 5. All right, so that's our lesson for today. I'll look forward to seeing you in another video.